circles, you are already aware of the circles. We have done many questions till class 10th on circles. Okay. So now we are again going for some basic things for the circle, and before proceeding for it, let's go for a definition. Now I have made a figure here. This is a two-dimensional figure called a circle. Now basically what it is, a circle is the locus of point which moves in a plane so that it is always at a constant distance, so that it is always at a constant distance from a fixed point in the plane. Is it clear? Now suppose the fixed point is this one. So locus set of all the points at a constant distance. When we are plotting the points, countless points when are plotted from the fixed point at a constant distance, then it forms a circle. Okay. So a circle is the locus of points which moves in a plane so that it is always at a constant distance from the fixed point in the plane. Now the fixed point is called center of circle. The fixed point, that is called center of circle, and the constant distance from center is called the length of radius of the circle. Very simple definition, very simple terms. You are already aware of the terms center and radius. These two are the terms. Now suppose this is the center, then what we are going to write it? This is the R, radius. To this we can write it O, point O. O as a center and a constant distance everywhere, that is termed as small r, called a radius. Okay, so O defines the center and R with the radius. So this was a basic definition about a circle.